Welcome to our channel, your go-to source for making household chores a breeze. In this video, we're unveiling the top 5 best ironing boards of 2023. These essential tools are your secret to wrinkle-free, perfectly pressed clothes. Join us as we explore the features, durability, and usability of these fantastic ironing boards. Whether you're a pro at ironing or just want to simplify your life, we've got options for everyone. Be sure to watch the entire video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our future reviews. Links to all the featured ironing boards can be found in the description below. Let's make your ironing experience top-notch. Starting at number 5, Simp Home Care Ergo Plus Ironing Board. The Simp Home Care Ergo Plus Ironing Board is an ergonomic and high-performance solution for anyone who takes ironing seriously. This board has been meticulously designed for comfort, speed, and performance. One of its standout features is the low-level steam generator rest, which provides a comfortable and safe spot for your iron. The ProZone cover with a heat-reflective metallic coating ensures faster crease removal, saving you time. Safety and convenience are paramount with the Flex Guide, preventing your iron cord from tangling and snagging. The loop leg design offers extra strength and stability during use. Designed and manufactured in the UK, this ironing board combines quality materials and craftsmanship. Its universal height mechanism allows you to set it up at your preferred working height, up to 37 inches. For those who demand the best from their ironing board, the Simp Home Care Ergo Plus is an exceptional choice. It's a versatile and sturdy companion for efficient and hassle-free ironing. At number 4, Simp Collapsible Ironing Board. The Simp Collapsible Ironing Board is a versatile solution that turns ironing from a chore into a breeze. With a smart iron rest that maximizes board space and avoids scorching, it's designed for convenience. What sets this ironing board apart is the underboard shelf, allowing you to stack clothes before or after ironing, keeping your workspace organized. It's equipped with a cotton cover and fiber pad, ensuring a smooth ironing surface. The Simp Collapsible Ironing Board is easy to open and close, making setup and storage simple. It measures 59 x 18 x 36a, providing ample space for your ironing tasks. If you've ever wished for a more organized and efficient ironing experience, this ironing board is the answer. It's perfect for homes where space is limited, as it maximizes functionality while minimizing clutter. At number 3, U-Life Retractable Ironing Board. The U-Life Retractable Ironing Board is a modern and space-saving solution for efficient ironing. Its construction, featuring thickened steel plates and ecological materials, ensures sturdy support for your ironing needs. One of the standout features is the 180-degree rotation capability, which provides excellent flexibility and control during use. The silent track allows for smooth and quiet movements, enhancing the overall ironing experience. Cleaning is a breeze with its removable cloth cover. Plus, it's designed for easy installation, and it's ideal for wardrobes with specific dimensions. Width 570 *, depth 480 *, height 170 millimeters. This ironing board is perfect for those with limited space or those looking for an ironing solution that seamlessly integrates into their wardrobe. Its modern design and functional features make it a practical addition to any home. Number 2, Alba Y Printing Ironing Board. The Alba Y Printing Ironing Board is a versatile addition to any household. It's designed with user convenience in mind, offering the adjustable height between 70-84 centimeters to accommodate your needs comfortably. One standout feature is its foldable design, making storage a breeze. When not in use, it can be stowed away neatly, saving you space. The heat-resistant and flame-retardant cloth ensures safe and efficient ironing, and it's easy to clean thanks to the stain-resistant surface. What sets this ironing board apart is its stylish printing design, which adds a touch of flair to your home. It's not just practical, it's a piece of functional art. The Alba Y Printing Ironing Board is ideal for those who want a combination of style and functionality. Whether you're ironing your everyday clothes or tackling more delicate fabrics, this ironing board offers a reliable and aesthetically pleasing solution. At number 1, Kakshaya Ironing Board. The Kikshia ironing board is a space-saving marvel for anyone seeking a more efficient way to tackle laundry. Its foldable and retractable design is a game-changer for small living spaces. When not in use, it effortlessly folds away into your closet, saving you precious room space. Crafted from high-quality materials, this ironing board provides a sturdy and smooth surface for your ironing needs. It's built to last, ensuring you'll get countless hours of ironing without any hassle. What's particularly remarkable about the Kikshia ironing board is its ease of setup and storage. Its user-friendly design allows you to set it up quickly, and when you're done, it neatly tucks away, keeping your closet organized. If you're tired of struggling with a traditional bulky ironing board that takes up valuable space, the Kikshia Foldable and Retractable Ironing Board is a must-have. It's an excellent choice for those in small apartments or homes where space is at a premium. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to efficient ironing. Thanks for tuning in to JM Express. We hope you enjoyed our latest review and found it helpful in making informed decisions about the products you're interested in. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.